This video is to show you how to complete the document assignments that we're going to complete in this class. So we're going to start with one called Memo. So we're going to go into the word processing folder and into the Memo folder to open this document. Okay, so you're going to click on My Document, and then you're going to open the document. It might take a minute. Don't let that, don't get worried if it takes a minute. It just might take a minute to load, and then you're going to open it in the app. Okay, so this is going to open a blank Word document, but don't create your own blank Word document. You need to open it this way. So the only way that you're going to be able to submit this assignment is to go through the process I just showed you. All right, so now we have our blank document, and now we need the instructions for what to do. So we're going to go back into Schoology, and we're going to open up the PDF at the bottom. This is our workbook for this class, and it gives us all of the explanations for how to complete the assignments. So we're going to work on the memo, which is located on page 3. It starts on page 3. You can see that here's a description of what we learned in the PowerPoint presentation lecture. And then here's our actual assignment for today. We're an ice cream store, and we're going to create documents throughout this course for this ice cream store. On the left-hand side, it says document setup. Don't worry about step 1 and 2. I've already done those things for you. The startup, you don't have to open a new Word document. I already created an LTI document for you, and you don't have to worry about saving it. It will automatically know who you are. So we're going to set the orientation at portrait, and then put the margins in, the line spacing, and the font size, and then start on the right-hand side of this page, following directions from 1 to 12. And at the end, you will have a document that looks like this. So you're going to flip back and forth between these two documents in order to create a memo that looks like this. So the first thing that we have to do is to create a memorandum. So I'm going to go in to Word and type that in. I'm going to go back to that Word document that I was in, and I'm going to center this and then type memorandum. So I'm going to center it, and then it has to be in all caps. Okay, so now I have it. I'm going to select my font, just like it says to do, and I'm going to change my font and do all of the things that it told me to do to format it. I want it in Times New Roman, so I'm going to come up here and format it.
It should be self-paced.
Here it is. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you how to submit it. I just want you to see I had to do something so that I could show you that I did some work, and now my document is all set. I'm going to close this out by hitting the home button, and then I'm going to go back into Schoology and show you that my work did in fact save. If I go into my memo, you can see that my work did in fact save. And so I'm just going to go back into Schoology and hit submit, and my work does save. If you need to unsubmit an assignment, you can do that and fix something that you saw that was wrong, but it does save your work. They are linked, so that's why you have to use the document here and not open it and create your own new document. So ignore those steps. Every time, ignore those steps because you already have a document with your name on it attached to each one of your folders. So that's how you are going to complete each of the assignments for Word, PowerPoint, and Excel.